Hey everyone, I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up when they do an Ulta haul, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I know it looks like I bought the entire store. Honestly, I'm confused. First off, I did this haul. When did I do this haul? Early February, late January? I'm going to say early February because I told myself I was going to be on a low buy, no buy. And I had to at least make it 1 month into the new year before doing a haul. It took a few weeks to arrive, and then it sat around until I could film, which is today. I only remember picking up, I want to say like 5 products maybe 6, but nothing to warrant a box this big. So I'm super confused, but when am I not? So let's dive in and see what I got because I sure as heck don't remember. Let me know, have you made a haul yet this year? Or are you doing better than I am on your no buy, low buy? Nope, I only got 5 items, although I'm very curious what this big thing is because no clue. Alright, it's from HALLY and it is hallyhair.com. Oh, okay, maybe that's why the box is so big. I do remember ordering something. I know you're like, what? You got something hair related? Yes, I did. So I've decided that I'm going to color my own hair, right? Well, color, I'm going to bleach. I'm going to go a little more blonde. And I found this, I didn't realize it was a kit. I honestly thought it was just going to be like a tube. But this here was only $10. And I don't know, it's got stuff. Probably whatever, the foam you put in and then maybe something to activate it. I don't know what these are. Maybe gloves? What is this? Your Color Cloud companion with everything you need and a couple of surprises. Okay. All right, here it says, kit includes 1 pair latex-free gloves, 2 clippies, 1 pair bye-bye bags, and 1 Stress Buddy putty. So I guess they're going to give you some eye patches. Oh, how smart. While your hair is back waiting for the coloring to process. Good point. I'm lazy. I would have never thought of that. All right. So I don't know if I'm going to film that. Maybe. No promises. But if you see me looking cray-cray, then we know I should never do this again. Or I pre-film, if you see me blonde in one video and then the next I look like this, just know that's how when I edit and whatnot. But for $10, I don't know. Somebody leave me a comment if you've ever heard of this brand and tried this before. And I probably won't do it for another week. Let me know if I should return it, if it's like horrible and I'll regret it. All right, what else did I pick up? Oh, yes. Okay, so this was more relevant like 2 to 3 weeks ago. So if you aren't aware, where have you been? There was this whole controversy with, I forget, some TikToker with a strong Boston accent and this telescopic lift mascara. But what I haven't seen is anyone talk about the waterproof version. Now, I have seen ads up the yin-yang for it. And it honestly looks like it's a good mascara. But with all of the Lash gate, mascara gate going on, I don't know. So you know how honest I am. And again, I've never seen anyone talk about the waterproof variety. I picked this up because I'm curious and thought, you know what? I'm going to do a review video. All right, what the heck is this? All right. Oh, okay. It's from L'Oreal. Speaking of L'Oreal, by the way, this is also from L'Oreal. This here is the Lumi Glotion. Why do I feel like, did you influence me, Heather? I get influenced like crazy. I'll watch a video, somebody will use the product, talk about it, I'll be like, OMG, and then I'll go buy it. But I honestly can't remember where I saw this from. Possibly Taylor Wynn, I don't know. Anyways, let me know if you've ever tried that product before or if you'd be curious to see me do it in a try-on video. Oh, and then anytime I make a haul from Ulta, I always have to stock up My holy grail, this here is the Essence Lash Princess in waterproof. And the last item I have been wanting for quite some time. I hear nothing but raves. A lot of the people I follow on YouTube talk about this and put it in their favorites all the time. And what is it? It is a cream bronzer from Revolution. It is supposed to be really nice, kind of dupe-ish for the NARS Laguna. And you know, while I'm doing a Ulta haul, it's only $8. I thought, why not? All right, does not open all the way like I prefer, but it's pretty cheap. All right, so that is pretty creamy. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be a perfect match for me. I like how it's not super warm. It's more neutral. Yes. All right, I'm gonna be super excited to give that product a try. All right, that's it. It was a very lightweight haul. Only 5 products in an extremely large box. But let me know if you'd be curious to see me do a get ready with me or use any of these products. Also, let me know if you own any of them and you've used them before. And let me know what you think about them. Now, since this is a very short video and it's been a while, I thought I'm going to sneak in here covertly an announcement of a giveaway. I just hit 1,350 subscribers. Yay. The next one will be the big one at 1,500, but let's do a giveaway. Don't know what's going to be in the bag, but typically what I do is whoever wins, I reach out and ask them, do you like adventurous? Do you like boring, neutral? What do you like? Do you like reds, etc.? And I'll just customize the giveaway for your likings. So I make it very simple. You just need to be subscribed to my channel, and in order for me to verify that, you need to be publicly subscribed. So I will go to your channel, scroll down to verify that you actually are subscribed. You need to leave a comment, and you must be 18 years old and live in the United States. I will have the information in the description box below, but that's it. And if you happen to be watching this, thank you. Please subscribe, leave me a comment, and hit that thumbs up button. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right, I want to thank those who already are subscribed and remind you all to click that bell icon. That way you will be notified when I do upload a video and if I post something on my community tab. And if you made it this far in the video, please leave me a face emoji with the spinning hearts. All right, thanks everyone.